Alright guys, we're gonna go eat at the food truck. Are you excited?
I'm so excited. They have all kinds of food.
Here we go. We're gonna go have some food. We're coming up on the trucks. How many do you think there are, Mom?
Probably about 40.
40 trucks? Yeah,
40
they're
is a
different.
lot.
We got
40 different places to eat.
Italian, got Chinese. I think there's too many choices.
Mexican.
It's gonna be so cool. I can't wait. The hardest part is gonna be picking something.
Yeah, there's too many things.
Look at the avocado. The bus is cool. Look at the little donuts. You see them, Mom? Are they making donuts in there?
I see them. They look.
All these cool food trucks everywhere. Dad, are you ready to eat?
Ready.
What's this place, Mom? There is all kinds of Mexican food. Are you gonna get the good deal with the burritos?
I'm gonna get the quesadilla.
Okay, okay.
One chicken and one.
Those look so good. Chips?
Yes.
Yummy.
And my steak
Those
quesadilla.
look good. Does it taste good? Oh yes. Is it nice and salty?
Yes, it's good.
Ooh, what about the chips? Those look cool.
There they are. Yummy, yummy.
I got the steak burrito. Actually kind of tastes like gravy. And then sweet and salt.